4. Medical Science and Health. Children, this is the 4th lesson in the course book, and now we will do the workbook part for the lesson Medical Science and Health. The first bit here is tick the correct answer. Here we have 3 incomplete sentences. We have to choose the correct answer among the given options here and put the tick mark beside the correct answer box. 1. A clinical thermometer is also known as a. The options are A. Medical thermometer, B. Doctor's thermometer, C. Lab thermometer. And the answer here is A. Medical thermometer and B. Doctor's thermometer. A clinical thermometer is also known as medical thermometer and also as doctor's thermometer. So we will put the tick marks here. 2. He was known as the father of modern surgery. The options are A. French surgeon Ambrose Paré, B. Hans Lippershey, C. Zacharias Janssen. So among these 3 persons, who is known as father of modern surgery? Yes, the answer is option A. French surgeon Ambrose Paré. He was known as the father of modern surgery. You will put a tick mark for option A here. 3. Chloroform was used as an inhaled anesthetic during A. Preservative, B. Surgery, C. Vaccination. And the correct answer is option B. Surgery. We will put a tick mark for option B. Chloroform was used as an inhaled anesthetic during surgery. So this is about the first bit. Tick the correct answer. A clinical thermometer is also known as a medical thermometer or doctor's thermometer. 2. He was known as the father of modern surgery. French surgeon Ambrose Paré was known as the father of modern surgery. Chloroform was used as an inhaled anesthetic during surgery. Now we will move to the next bit. The next bit under exercise time is match the invention with inventor. This is the match the following. We have 2 columns, column A and column B. In column A we have inventions and in column B we have the inventor. Means the person's name who invented these. These are medical instruments used in medical field. So these were invented by these people. We have to match the correct invention with their correct inventor. First I will read the words here. Clinical thermometer, stethoscope, microscope, chloroform, penicillin. Alexander Fleming, Samuel Guthrie, René Laennec, Hans Lippershey and Zacharias, Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. So now we will match the inventions with their inventors. 1. Clinical thermometer. And clinical thermometer was invented by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. We will match these 2. 2. Stethoscope. Now stethoscope was invented by René Laennec. We will match stethoscope with René Laennec. 3. Microscope. Microscope was invented by Hans Lippershey and Zacharias. We will match microscope with Hans Lippershey and Zacharias. 4. Chloroform. Chloroform was invented by Samuel Guthrie. We will match chloroform with Samuel Guthrie. 5. Penicillin. And penicillin was invented by Alexander Fleming. We will match penicillin with Alexander Fleming. Now this is about the second bit, match the invention with inventor. Clinical thermometer was invented by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Stethoscope was invented by René Laennec. Microscope was invented by Hans Lippershey and Zacharias. Chloroform was invented by Samuel Guthrie. Penicillin was invented by Alexander Fleming. This is about the second bit. Now we will move to the next bit. The third bit under exercise time is answer the following questions. 1. How do clinical thermometers measure the body temperature? The question here is, how do clinical thermometers measure the body temperature? And the answer for this question is, clinical thermometers use thermometric liquids like alcohol and mercury to measure temperature in body cavities. If the body temperature goes higher, it means that we have fever. The second question is, what is a stethoscope? The answer for this is, a stethoscope is a diagnostic instrument used by medical professionals to listen to a patient's chest cavity, heart and various pulse points. 3. How is surgery helpful to the body? The answer for this is, surgery is helpful to cure a disease, to repair damaged body organs or to replace the diseased organs. Surgery has enabled humans to live longer. Example, heart surgery and kidney transplant. So children, these are the answers for the given questions here. You can write these answers in your workbook. Now we will move to the next question. What was chloroform used for? The answer for this question is, chloroform is used as an inhaled anesthetic during surgery. Inhaling chloroform vapors depresses the central nervous system of a patient and makes the patient unconscious. It allows a doctor to perform painful operations. 5. What is the story behind the invention of the vaccination? The answer for this question is, Dr. Edward Jenner discovered that dairy maids developed immunity against smallpox who already were sick with cowpox. He successfully tested his theory on an 8-year-old boy who soon recovered. Since then, vaccination has been developed for many diseases. So these are the answers for the given questions, children. You can write these answers in the workbook. The next section here is hots. Why should we use the pasteurized milk? Now, why should we use the pasteurized milk? Pasteurized milk is made to go through a process which involves heating milk to a specific temperature for a certain period of time to kill any harmful organisms that can be present in milk. So children, why we should use pasteurized milk? Because pasteurized milk is made by going through a process where milk is heated to a specific temperature and for a certain period of time. Why? because if any harmful organisms are present in the milk, this process kills that organisms. So the milk is safe to drink. That's why pasteurized milk should be used. Pasteurization of the milk kills any harmful organisms that are present in the milk. So we should use a pasteurized milk. That is about the hot section. Now we will move to the next section. Children, the next section here is value-based questions. In this section, look at the pictures given below. Write the names of these instruments. So children, here 3 pictures are given. And if you can identify, these pictures are the medical instruments. Now we will identify each one and write the names. Now the first one, this is a blood pressure monitor. We will write here blood pressure monitor. With this we can check our blood pressure. The second picture is that of a blood sugar checking machine. Sugar check machine. Yes, with the help of this machine we can check the blood sugar levels in our body. The third one is that of an X-ray machine. In this machine we lie down on the table and X-rays are taken. So this is an X-ray machine. So these are the medical instruments. Now this is about the value based questions, and now we will move to the next section. The next section here is home assignment / project. Paste the pictures of medical instruments in your scrapbook and also label them. Children, under home assignment, here you have to paste the pictures of medical instruments. And you collect the pictures of medical instruments and paste them in your scrapbook and also label them. Means you should write the name of the medical instrument and paste the picture. You collect the pictures of medical instruments like stethoscope, microscope, syringes, and you paste the pictures in your scrapbook and write the name of that medical instrument. So children, this is about the home assignment project, and now with this we have completed the workbook part for the lesson Medical Science and Health.